What's up, everybody? My name is the Big King Jelly. You know the Big King Jelly, King Jelly. But what I want to talk to y'all about today is very important. You know how I have my green fidget spinner, Boss, and my black and silver fidget spinner. Yes, it turned black and silver because I was playing with it so much. It turned silver instead of gold. But get this, if you pop Martha Stewart out real quick, there we go. Okay, it's gold right there. See that? But it's silver right there. Gold, silver. Gold, silver. Okay. That kind of looked weird. The way I was doing that. Secret set into the darkness. See? Sounds weird, doesn't it? But okay, getting to the main point here, guys. I do have something new for y'all. He is a brother. You hear that? That. Guess what, guys? I now have a fidget cube. Yes, I have a fidget cube. I will get more of these. I will be getting more of these bad boys. But what I also wanted to show y'all is a trick that I learned. But it's not really a trick. I've seen everybody else be doing it. And you put it two together and you like spin it one way and like that, how it's all trippy. Look how I do it. Look how freaking trippy that is, guys. It like shows it at the beginning though. Watch the black in the front and the green in the back. That stuff is like extremely trippy, guys. I'm like, look at that. Okay, guys, we have to smash 200 likes on this video. Let's smash that like button. Fist in the freaking camera right here real quick. We need to hit 200 likes on this video. Like I'm asking y'all, please let's do it. Because I know y'all are the fellow jellies, and I know y'all can do that. So, yeah, please go hit that subscribe button. Subscribe right here. And that's pretty much what I want to talk about, guys. And shout out to Fidget Cube. Shout out to Fidget Cube up here. I'm probably gonna be making another YouTube channel, just being based around like my fidget spinners and everything. Y'all know what I mean, right? But yeah. Oh, remember these. Oh, I cannot wait, guys. Oh, just letting y'all know. Party stuff up here. Party stuff. And I'm going to this grade. So guys, I love you and bye-bye.